Just before 9 p.m. on June 13, 2026, Los Angeles police officers responded to a 911 call reporting a woman screaming inside an apartment on Jordan Avenue in Canoga Park, California.
LA City 911 Operator 972.
Hi, I'm not sure if anyone called it in yet, but I heard my neighbor at 75 Jordan Avenue, I think their unit is, she's been screaming, oh my God, for 20 minutes, like something really bad happened. I just was wondering if someone could do a wellness check on them.
Okay. So they only need a wellness check?
I'm not sure what it is, but I was out on my balcony and they're screaming, oh my God, it's been a long time now.
Okay, did you hear or see anything else?
No, I didn't see anything. They're just screaming like something horrible happened.
Okay.
My unit, screaming woman, 75 Jordan Avenue, 75 Jordan Avenue apartment. Subject is a female black in her 40s inside of the unit. Code 3 incident 4205, ready 2136.
Police department. LAPD.
It's LAPD.
Hello. Hi. Oh, can you put your dog in?
Put your dog away, please. Put your dog away. Put your dog away. Dude. I ain't getting bit by that, bro.
Is the dog put away?
Please put the dog. It's all good. It's all good. We don't.
Aggressive. Huge. Put him in. Is the dog put away?
Please put the dog. It's all good. It's all good. We don't.
Aggressive. Huge. Put him in. LAPD.
It's LAPD.
Hello. Oh, can you put your dog in? Put your dog in.
Put your dog away. Put your dog away.
That's a big
Dude. I ain't getting bit by that.
dude.
Bro.
That's a big. Is the dog put away?
Please put the dog. It's all good. It's all good. We
Not
don't.
aggressive. Huge. Put him in. Is the dog put away?
Please put the dog. It's all good. It's all good. We
Not
don't.
aggressive. Huge. Put him.
The screaming turned out to be celebration. The resident, Marie Marseille, had been cheering the New York Knicks' NBA championship victory. Her 2-year-old golden St. Bernard doodle, Jameson, was shot and killed during the encounter. No people were injured. The Los Angeles Department of Animal Services took custody of the dog, and the LAPD's Force Investigation Division launched an investigation that the department says could take up to a year. The incident sparked widespread public scrutiny following the release of the body-worn camera footage. Los Angeles Mayor Karen Bass called the video disturbing and tragic and directed the department to review its policies for encounters with dogs. Police Chief Jim McDonnell also described the shooting as incredibly tragic and pledged a thorough, transparent investigation. That review remains ongoing.